Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Joyful Jessie. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how is it that I make another Puerto Rican classic, and that is Pernil Asado, which is roasted pork. This is a traditional dish that is a staple in all of our Puerto Rican celebrations, so make sure to stick around and watch. Alright my friends, these are the ingredients that we are going to be using for our Pernil Asado. I have about a 10-pound roast, butt roast, pork shoulder roast right here. That's going to be the star of the show. And then I'm going to be using some adobo. I'm going to say maybe about 1 tablespoon of adobo. I'm going to be using some oregano, and maybe I'll do a few teaspoons of oregano, we'll see. I'm gonna be using about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sofrito. I'm gonna say 1 garlic clove per pound. So I'm gonna use about 10 of these. I love garlicky pork. And then I'm gonna use the lemon of 1 juice. So in this case, I'm using this, and that is 3 tablespoons. And then I have a container to go ahead and bake my roast in. And in this particular case, I'm using my Dutch oven. All right, let's start seasoning and marinating our yummy little bit of meat. All right, friends, so I'm first gonna begin by making that mixture of seasonings. So I'm gonna take my 1 tablespoon of adobo, and I have a little container here with a little spoon. So I'm gonna use that to put all the goodies in there. So 1 tablespoon of this. Some people like more. They like to make theirs more saltier. In my book, I say you can always salt more later. So play it safe at first, and then if you want to salt more later, then you can salt more later. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of oregano. Oregano is delish. I feel like you can never have too much oregano, you know? I'm gonna do 3, let me see, I hope I have enough. Oh yeah, I will. 3 tablespoons of sofrito. 3 tablespoons of the lemon juice, because that equivalates to a medium lemon. I'm gonna be adding my garlic cloves. So I'm gonna add 10 of them. Some people put the whole garlic clove in the slits when they're marinating the meat themselves. That's fine. I just like to put my pieces in like this. Then once we have all of our goodies in there, we're gonna go ahead and mix it out. This is pretty much our marinade. Now comes the fun part. Pretty much what we're going to be doing is with our knife, we're gonna be making these little slits. I'd say they're about maybe like 2 inches long. And then you're gonna take with the spoon and you're gonna put the marinade in the meat just like that. Okay, we're gonna do this all throughout the pork shoulder. I forgot about the sazon and about the veggie pepper. I forgot to add the veggie pepper to it. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed here. Whoops, okay. So I'm gonna put maybe a little bit of pepper on the top and on the sides too. I think I actually might use a little bit more adobo on the sides. This is all stuff I usually do just by looking at it. So today I'm just measuring. So I have some on the side here and some on the side over here. And then I'm gonna add my sazon packet, which I had completely forgotten to mention as well. Half of it on one side some on the side, some on the other side, some on this side over here, and some on this side as well. Pretty much what we are going to do now is we're going to let this marinate. It is best if you let it marinate overnight, or you can let it marinate for a couple hours and then come back to it and bake it. We just wanted to soak some of these really good flavors in there. Yesterday I was making turkey and all this stuff. I didn't have time to do this yesterday, and I'm gonna need this for tonight. So I'm going to let it marinate for a couple hours in my fridge. So I'm putting my pork roast in the oven at 325 degrees, and I'm going to keep it covered. If you're using an aluminum pan, just simply cover it a little bit with some aluminum foil and then uncover it when the time comes. I personally prefer using the aluminum one. It's a lot easier for cleanup, but this is what I'm using right now. All right, it's been here for about 4 hours now. I'm gonna, ooh, look how beautiful it looks. Oh, scrumptious, guys. After this, I cooked it for an additional 15 minutes uncovered. In this case, I didn't have the skin of the pork, so there was no need for me to broil the cuerito. Look how beautiful this roast looks. So pretty much it was cooking for about, I'd say 4 hours. And then I put maybe like 15 minutes uncovered so that it could just kind of brown up on the top. But look how yummy it looks. Just have to try a bit. Oh, look how beautiful. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this yummy roast a try. Even though I already did it, I know it's good, but look at this piece. This is gonna be so good with some arroz con gandules. Now it's your turn to go ahead and give this delicious pernil asado a try. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!